Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to start this video by wishing you all a very happy new year, and I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas holiday with your family and friends. If you are brand new to my channel, joined in recent months, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Sonja, and this is my cooking channel. And the reason why I say that is because I happen to have a couple other channels. There is a DIY, home, and a lifestyle channel. They will all be linked down below if you want to check those out as well. So like I said, my name is Sonja. I live in Ontario, Canada. I am a mother to two teenagers, a daughter who is 18 and a son who is 19. I am also happily married to a guy named John, and a mom to two fur babies, two very big fur babies, Duke and Frank. Duke is Newfoundlandese and Frank is Bosnian Croatian Shepherd, Tornjak, and they are all both under the age of 2, and they keep me very busy. They're very active on my Instagram account if you want to check them out, or over on my lifestyle channel. So I wanted to also touch base what you could expect to see moving forward for the year 2022 on this channel. So I am planning on continuing my what's for dinners, because that is something that you guys enjoy, and as well as the recipe sharing. My plan is to participate in Croctober in October again, just like last year. I will try and theme my months somewhat with all the recipe sharing. I know I will have some appetizers coming your way, maybe some freezer meals and things like that. However, I wanted to kind of ask you guys what you would like to see as far as the recipes goes. Do you want to see some more of my Eastern European background cooking, like I've shared a couple of them already? Do you want to see easy, quick meals? I tend to make a lot of my meals from scratch. I don't use a lot of canned goods for cooking, but if that's something that you would like to see, I can definitely incorporate some of them in here. So, and I also wanted to thank you all for following along, especially ones that have been from last year, from the beginning. I want to thank you all so much for continuing to support me, commenting, liking my videos, sharing them with your friends. It means the world to me. And those of you that decided to press that subscribe button recently, thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed so far what you've seen. And if this is your first video that you're watching, I would love it if you consider pressing that subscribe button and joining my cooking YouTube family here. And don't forget to hit that bell as well, so that way you get notified when any of my new videos come up. So I am super excited with all the content coming your way. I hope that you are too, and I will see you all soon. Thanks for watching. And if you need some what's for dinner ideas, I have recently, just last week, posted 30 of them. So make sure you check that video out. I will link it up in the sky for you, because there are 30 different meal ideas for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.